Dr. Madhu Mehta, Chairman Emeritus of Vadodara Innovation Council, our Chairperson, Dr. Chaitanya Bhuj, Showcase Committee, Mr. Vikas Chawla, Secretary of Vadodara Innovation Council, all our committee members of Vadodara Innovation Council, today's faculty, Dr. Udit Thakur, Dr. Rajiv Shah, who are present here, all the invitees and members of Vadodara Innovation Council. A presentation from Global Hospital team on showcasing the innovation which is in place at that hospital. The majority of details will be covered by Dr. Bhuj, so I will not give you the details on the theme of this today's presentation. But on behalf of Vadodara Innovation Council, I take this opportunity to welcome you all to this presentation. I am sure the end of the presentation, you all will be great to learn on a new innovation which is in place in our city, and we will take a pride for this innovation. We also take this opportunity to invite you to be part of Vadodara Innovation Council, which are doing meaningful programs in a various capacity, in a various sector, education, colleges, as well as at large in the society. Not taking much of your time because it's already been late, I would request let the program be proceed further. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Jagdish Bhai. One question before we start the session. How many of you are coming for the first time in this Vadodara Innovation Council program? Please raise your hands. તમારામાંથી કેટલા એવા છે જે પહેલી વખત વડોદરા ઇનોવેશન કાઉન્સિલના પ્રોગ્રામમાં? So I think it's more than 70 to 80%. Okay. Gujarati is okay, English is okay? Gujarati English is mixed, okay? Okay. I'll take another 2 to 3 minutes to discuss to talk about Vadodara Innovation Council because I see મોટાભાગના લોકો જે છે એ પહેલી વખત આવી રહ્યા છે. વડોદરા ઇનોવેશન કાઉન્સિલ શરૂ થઈ અને 2 વર્ષ પૂરા થયા છે. The idea was planted by Dr. Sam Pitroda, advisor to the Prime Minister and the head of the National Innovation Council. It is a special initiative by the Prime Minister of India, and this decade has been declared as a decade of innovation. Initially, 2 years back, he requested Dr. Madhubhai Mehta, his friend, and Paresh Bhai Parekh, and then we formed a team, and we are proud to say that this journey has really given us a lot of encouragement. We are proud to say, આપણે બધાને ગર્વ થાય એવી વાત છે કે આપણે વડોદરાને આખા દેશના ઇનોવેશન મેપ પર ચૂંટીના સ્થાને મૂકેલું છે. Vadodara Innovation Council is the first and the only city-based innovation council of India as of now. In fact, we are proud to say this thanks to Baroda, thanks to people, and thanks to the team DIC. Second thing is that now we are considered as a role model, and we have been asked to replicate this particular city-based innovation council module across India. We have prepared a manual. Very briefly, I will say. Thanks. Very briefly, I will say what we have done. Very quickly. Of course, it is not possible for one man or a two man. Actually, we have got a good team. Since last 2 years, every month on second Sunday, we are organizing the seminars and talks on innovations, and it is a regular program. Our another activity was we started one initiative, and the chairperson was Jagdish Bhai Shukla. Under the leadership of him, Preeti Ben, and there were many people, and we had a team of around 10 to 12 volunteers, and we went to around 32 to 35 schools, out of which there are 15 schools of municipal corporation, and we covered 10,000 students of 5th, 6th and 7th standard, and our initiative was to conduct a session in the schools for 1.5 hours for 5th, 6th and 7th standard, how to be curious, questioning and innovative. This model attracted the National Innovation Council, and in turn they invited Vadodara Innovation Council people to present this particular presentation at National Innovation Council. And now they have asked us to again replicate this model across India. Our another initiative was Tod Ford Jod Center, and we had a 12-week pilot program. Mr. K.G. Shah conducted and designed the entire workshop. and in turn we got a good response. And then in February, Community Science Center, we trained around 54 teachers and school principals. And there were people from Kutch, Baroda, Surat, Bharuch, and now our aim is to set up a Cold Center in every school. We in fact conducted one more training program in ITI where 18 ITI principals and their faculty members were present. And again we are trying to set up a Cold Center in ITI zones. That was second initiative. Third initiative, as you know that in VCCI exhibition in 2013, recently in February, thanks to iCreate Madhubai and Parul and Kaftari, we requested them, and for the first time, there was an entire pavilion number 16, which was dedicated to innovation, and we selected the teams from college and school and from ITIs, and we displayed their innovation free of cost. It is happening for the first time, and we thank VCCI, President Ravi Sabawala and Nilesh Bhai Shukla for that. We showcased innovation from schools and colleges free of cost. Again, there were two initiatives from Vadodara Innovation Council. Thanks to Parubhen again and Madhubai, and we initiated two programs, and more than 70 teams took part across Gujarat. There were two initiatives. One is I Explore and another is I Innovate. And the students from schools, colleges, they visited the stalls and then they talked about what was the history, how can we innovate further. And another was about the competition innovations, and we had given the prize. So there are multiple programs we are happening, and now I would like to say that our next theme, our next vision and mission, as far as Vadodara Innovation Council is concerned, is that we want to make Vadodara as the innovative city of India. Please. We want to make Vadodara as the innovative city of India, and I want and I request all of you to please join us in that mission. We are soon going to launch many programs. It will be on radio, it will be on TV. We have a team working immediately after this program. We have an executive council meeting working on that, and you will see a lot of results on that side. But it will not happen from one person only. We need a team for that. I am not taking now time because we now go to the first session about happiness ICU. But after that program, we will have 10 minutes interaction session wherein if you want to ask any questions, we are open for that. I request again that all of you can join us. And let us be proud. Let us make our Vadodara proud. We have already put Vadodara on the top of the innovation map, but then we still want to do something extra. Right? Now, the design of today's program is that we will have around 50-minute session from this happiness ICU, and then later on 10 minutes session or open session for how can we take Vadodara Innovation Council further and we can fulfill our mission. I now invite Dr. Chaitanya Buch, the Vice President of Vadodara Innovation Council, for the next session, please. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everybody. On this beautiful Sunday morning, in spite of availability of so many other programs in the city today, you all are here with us and in a large number. So I am very thankful to all of you. ઘણા બધા ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશનમાં એવું લાગતું છે કે કાશ આપણે આવું કંઈક કરી શકતા હોય તો કેવું, પણ અમારી સાથે વિકાસ છે એટલે કોઈ ચિંતાનો વિષય નથી. We have all the dignitaries in the audience, and welcome to all of you. Today's program, as Vikas Bhai rightly told, we are planning to project Vadodara Innovation City, and under that we have very many things. We have the innovators isolated and located and found from Baroda city, from the schools, from the colleges, from the practicing persons and consultants, etc. And we will be demonstrating and showcasing it to you and reach your home as Vadodara Innovative City on the radio, on air. Will come to your home. So various other things will be done. But today's program, as you have seen, there is no gain without pain. A person coming to ICU is in pain, either pain from the traumatic experience or a fracture or the disease or even the treatment, the injections, the IV fluids, the operations, and also being on ventilator or dialysis or various other procedures. And therefore there is no pain, there is no gain. So we had our share of pain today. Let us have our gain today. The program today is that we will have, when a patient goes to ICU with pain and wants to come out after relief of pain, the process in between is somewhat troubled because what happens, the relatives want to be close to the context, and the discussion will be done by Dr. Budgir, who is our speaker today. Doctor, by habit I say doctor, Vikas Bhai said that we change the speaker, but I would say that we keep the same speaker, and speaker Dr. Udgir will talk today about what happens and how do we improve the happiness in ICU, and that is the main theme today. I thought that with such an important program of an ICU, where I had written in my invite also that will I see you, so I see you. When I see you in ICU and Udgir is looking after, there is a difference, and what is the difference is what we will talk about. So such an important event which is happening for the first time in Vadodara and Gujarat and Maharashtra, I thought that we must have a person who will chair this session, and he should be an international teacher, or he should be a doctor, because we are talking of ICU. Or I thought that if we wanted a very good speech to be given, that it should be an artist or an actor or a educationist, or somebody who is with a school, or somebody who is an orator, or somebody who is knowing Gujarati and English very well. પછી આ બધું ગોતતા ગોતતા મને એમ થયું કે આપણે બહાર દુનિયામાં કંઈ જવાની જરૂર નથી. We have amongst us our એક જીન કે જે રાજીવ છે, Dr. Rajiv Shah, orthopedic surgeon. I invite him as the chairman for the today's function. And we will say that Dr. Rajiv Shah, friends, you all know, is the managing director of Global Hospital, and he is himself an orthopedic surgeon. But we are in a school setup, and he has started a back school, the school for the back problems. And he has left by starting a foot clinic. Miles need travel કરવા માટે foot and ankle clinic, one of the only, and he is the one person who has had a gold medal in Gujarati. He got the best student in MS orthopedic surgery, but gold medal in Gujarati. He has been a coordinator for the Yuva Vani on All India Radio, and he comes as an actor in drama on radio and TV. So friends, not only in ICU, but when I cannot see you at that level also, he is very active, and therefore we are very lucky that we have with us Dr. Rajiv Shah, and I would ask him to tell us about, see, nothing ever starts. Things are always created twice, first time in the mind and then in reality. So how did the idea get conceived, and then comes the delivery, and the delivery will be by Udgir, but the conception and how it was nurtured, and out from where in Maharashtra and Gujarat the ICUs were fairly fertile, they were producing very good results, but the hiccups that were there, how could they be streamlined, what was the need, and why did we think about it, is what I want our today's chairman, Dr. Rajiv Shah, to inform us. So I invite Dr. Rajiv Shah.
तुमसे सदियों की वफा था.
This is better. पर बोल मूँ तूने कॉलर माइक पर बोल मूँ ये वाइट कॉलर जॉब नहीं आ माइक बना रही.
तुमसे सदियों की वफाओं का एक नाता था. तुमसे मिलने की लकीरें आज मेरे हाथों में. Good morning. At the outset, let me thank from my bottom of my heart Vadodara Innovation Council, Dr. Chaitanya Bhai, Dr. Madhu Bhai, Jagdish Bhai, Vikas Bhai, and Paresh Bhai, and the team to invite us to share this dais in front of this techno-savvy population. Before I really call upon Dr. Udgir, I would take you back to the gestation of this thought process. As a doctor and as a managing doctor